Africa sise Africa my continent. Se Africa kwi South Africa kwaZulu eThekwini. Cha bakithi asinikeze ifeedback. Manje boko producer ngale no Jacinta babo.
Ngenzela ilight asambise lapha kancane quickly. Umnyama la. Umnyama soup. Oh okay I can do a light. Wait I can do it.
Oh.
I can do the light.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh yeah nakho ke yabona artificial lighting. Shana mesigisi bakithi Africa uyalikhumbula udaba lakwaDlamini udaba lakwaDlamini amawele idaba se kuleli ability umonakalo wenzeke khona cha bakithi asinitshele ade sila isibedlele inkosi Albert sizobheka ingane amathemba akhona kuyethembisa kakhulu sengazuthi ke uNkulunkulu uzosisiza kakhulu kodwa ke esingakho njengamanje ukuthi phela indawo yokuhlala basenayo laphana sekufuna ukuthi kunendaba ahlala kuyona ngathi njalo ngosuku kufuna khokhe 400 rand into ecishe ifana naleyo manje siyacela ukuthi ake sibambeleke ayibambeke ikhona ayibambe ikhona awunikezele abantu base-Africa i-account yakho Dlamini kwenze ukuthi ke siyenze lento yenzeke ngeke phela amandla wasekho ade siyongcwaba nje awunawo amandla
yebo kwenzeni
kufanele ukuthi kubambe thina ake ibambe khona ubanikeze account number
yebo i-account number yami u129 975
yes
55
yes
75
yes
Uyiphinda 129 975
yes
55
yes
75
please keep it
yebo iCapitec
siyabonga kakhulu bantu base-Africa siyalwazi ke udaba nizoyenza lento yenzeke sifuna manje i-support system i-support yangempela ke manje siyibonile le pressure nifakile futhi izolo nalokho okunye ke bazokhuluma labantu abaya esikoleni kahle mina ngafunda kulele ngesisu abazoligana ngoba phela indaba zama footage yonke bazoyikhuluma bona mina okudwa ngibonile ingane singenile sayibona nodade uJacinta woza ngapha waza la osakhanyisa nikulungile ke sikhanyise yena ke
mina lento ayikho ngami and she's doing very well. We are very proud and happy ukumbona responda kahle kanje like it's yeah
siyabonga kakhulu abafaka abantu
sacela guys nifake imali bandla abangafaka nathi sophosa la fanele siphose khona kodwa siyayidinga South Africa iqhubeke ibambisane nathi nomndeni waDlamini ukuze nje bakwazi nabo ukuphepha
yes
akuphelanga izolo njengoba sazi ukuthi sithi much and much until we win singakawini akakapheli so siyacela bandla nibambisane nomndeni waDlamini kulesikhathi sinzima kangaka mina nje engiyibonele kona namhlanje kamehlami umntwana ezilwela impilo yakhe I don't think into engiyoke ngikhohle leyo empilweni yami yonke and I don't think any parent deserves to go through anything like that
siyabonga kakhulu thank you so much inamba yocingo konke inamba yakho yocingo
hayi ungayinike yocingo
hayi yocingo thathani account lokho thathani account lokho bazobe besijahela kuyabheda nelwazi udaba awuphinda account number enifake baba nama scammers siwabhekile phela khona wazo scam lapha abawinayo
i-account number yaCapitec ithi 129 975
yes
55 75 ngiphinde 129 975 5575
siyabonga kakhulu thank you
happy birthday to you happy birthday
ate
to you
ate tsola mawele zo
happy birthday
siyakwazi ukucula nalona thank you Africa my continent sizowina ndawonye sizowina thank you when